A well-ventilated sauna is essential for both comfort and safety. Let's see how the vents should be positioned. Fresh air enters through an intake vent placed low on the wall near the heater, on the same side as the heater's air inlet. This allows fresh air to enter directly into the circulation system. The exhaust vent should be on the opposite wall, under the bench. It must be larger than the intake and positioned higher to ensure proper airflow through the sauna. This creates a balanced and enjoyable sauna climate. A drying vent should be placed on the opposite wall near the ceiling or in the ceiling itself. Keep this vent closed while the sauna is in use, as an open vent disrupts airflow and prevents the room from reaching the desired temperature. Open it only after your sauna session so moist air can escape and your sauna room stays healthy. The Saunum device draws in cooler air from the lower part of the room and hot air from the ceiling, mixes them, and blows the balanced air back out. This ensures oxygen-rich air and an even temperature throughout the sauna. Be sure to check the manual for detailed information on the exact sizes and positions of the ventilation openings. It's a good idea to consult a specialist early on to plan the heater, bench placement, and ventilation for your specific sauna.